Layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere always protects us from the cold and lifeless space. It is a complex mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. It is made up of four key layers. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called the troposphere. It is only about 10 kilometers thick. Life is supported in troposphere. Oxygen, which is crucial for life on Earth, is found in the troposphere. Approaching 13 kilometers, an invisible boundary in the atmosphere is crossed where the troposphere becomes the stratosphere. This layer contains ozone gas, which the Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations by partly absorbing them. At the height of about 50 kilometers, the stratosphere becomes the mesosphere. It's this layer that protects us from the meteors. When the meteor enters the mesosphere, it compresses the air in front of it. Most of the meteors burn out. From the Earth, they look like shooting stars. At around 85 kilometers, there is the fourth layer known as thermosphere. Temperature in this layer shoots up to 1000 degrees. The atmosphere is so here that according to the scientists, the space starts beyond 100 kilometers. All four atmospheric layers are crucial on the planet. Compared to the size of the Earth, with a diameter of approximately 12,600 kilometers, the combined thickness of these atmospheric layers is nearly negligible. The volume of the atmosphere is just 5% of the Earth. However, the atmosphere plays an important role in preserving life on the planet, and without it, our Earth would be just another barren planet. For all life forms, the troposphere is the most crucial layer of all. In fact, approximately 80% of the total mass of the atmosphere is concentrated in the troposphere. It is extremely thin, but affects our daily life. It contains the air we breathe. Due to global warming, the temperature of this atmospheric layer is increasing and is one of the reasons that we are experiencing extreme weather conditions. So, to keep this vital air intact for our survival, it is necessary to maintain a balance.